Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block screenshots in chat with someone in XChat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, of course, open the XChat and choose the chat where you want to block screenshots. So for example, I'll choose the first chat here. And as you can see, I opened the chat with this guy. So if I don't want to this guy be able to screenshot everything in this chat, I will need to click on his profile picture in the top side of the screen and I will see his profile. Now from this profile I have the last option called block screenshots. So if I click on it, I will need to enable this option right here. So just turn it on, and basically now if we go back once again and we will try to screenshot this, we will have, as you can see, just a black square instead of messages. And basically that is it. That is how we can block screenshots in chat with someone in XChat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.